In this video, we're going to cover highly converting WhatsApp marketing flows built by ZephyrChat team for e-commerce brands in Europe. And we're going to dive deep into the specific strategy, messaging, copywriting, and design we use at ZephyrChat for our e-commerce brands and clients that are scaling in Europe with WhatsApp marketing. And if you run an e-commerce brand in Europe, this will be highly valuable for you because it will help you to recover more cart abandonments, increase your average order value, and just make more money from your e-commerce brand in general. So with that being said, let's get started. This is one of the brands that we manage at ZephyrChat, and we run their WhatsApp marketing flows. And let's start with reviewing their abandoned checkout flow and why it works so consistently and generates a lot of revenue. So let's start with message number one. This comes 35 minutes after checkout is started. And of course, we apply all the advanced conditioning for exiting the flow. So if the consumer placed an order, if they have been in this flow previously in the last 7 days, or if they responded something on WhatsApp, then the automation flow instantly gets stopped and it's not executed. So the first message comes 35 minutes after the checkout is started, and it's a general, non-promotional, just a gentle reminder to the customer. And as you can see, if you want to build a really successful brand and you don't want to just ruin your reputation, it's not suggested to start instantly with those, oh, just buy now because your cart is reserved only for the next 40 minutes or 24 hours, or use this special 50% off discount code or something like that. This may work for some dropshipping stores that are really aggressive and want to quickly scale with some naive audiences of, 55 plus or 60 plus people. But in general, it's recommended to start in a non-promotional way and just create a really good experience for your customers. So that's why we start with this really personalized, friendly, gentle reminder. And as you can see, we always personalize each message. So it starts with hi, and then we use the customer's first name extracted from their WhatsApp. And our platform, ZephyrChat, uses this. And then we send a gentle reminder with some information about their order and just explaining that about the delivery and everything else. Then after 22 hours, we send the next message, which already includes the specific dynamic image of the product that was added in their cart. And this just creates a really good customer experience because they can see the specific product in high quality image in WhatsApp that they added to cart. And when you receive such message from kind of the founder, and we typically sign it as the founder's name, this looks really personalized and it really creates a good customer experience. And of course, we always include a clear way to unsubscribe just by pressing the stop button and just unsubscribing from future updates on WhatsApp. Then after 23 hours, we send the final checkout abandonment message, which is also, of course, personalized. And it starts also as a gentle reminder, and then we add the 5% discount code. So as a final reminder. And this is really unique, offer for a 5% discount code just to basically smoothen their experience and just push the customer to make an order. And as you can see, we're also very playful with different words because here we are targeting young audiences, and we're playful with English words, kind of like the mix of Dutch language and the English language. For many call to actions, we're using English words like shop now or complete your order, etc., etc. And that's the checkout abandonment flow. So let's start with the welcome flow right now. So the welcome flow starts with a friendly message and having this image as really high quality creative. And it's also personalized. Once the customer opts into the WhatsApp marketing for receiving updates, they're being congratulated, and we notify them that on the next message, they will receive the discount. And this just creates this kind of not the urgency, but this engagement on WhatsApp, and the customer is waiting to receive the next message, which works really well because we keep them engaged on WhatsApp as a marketing channel. And they can also shop now right away, and they can unsubscribe at any time. And here in the next message, as promised, here is your 15% discount code, where we are offering a uniquely generated discount code, and we are sending the product catalog of the bestsellers that are in the highest demand right now for this specific brand. And then after 23 hours, we are sending the final reminder, which is a plain text message without any catalogs, without any creatives. And it's just a reminder that your 15% code is still there and you can use it at any moment. And then we have 3 different buttons. So this first button is shop now, which redirects the customer to the bestsellers page. Then we have this copy offer code button, which is one of the newest buttons on WhatsApp. And this basically means that the customer can click on it and it instantly copies the code that's hidden in this button, which is a really great customer experience. They can just basically click on this message, copy the offer code, and then click the next button and just be redirected directly to the checkout and apply this discount code, which looks really great. So then let's review the welcome, not the welcome, but the viewed product flow. Here is our viewed product flow, which typically consists of 2 messages. The first one is just a outreach message, and it's not salesy. It's just saying that we see you browsing this specific product or something like else, and just general information, just a general reminder that you can complete your order right now. And we have this shop now, just simple button. And by the way, this is also a highly converting flow because we are actually seeing the customers browsing on the website. We can track it. So our platform, zephyrchat.com, can track the visitor's behavior on your Shopify store. And this is just a smooth promotion of our solution, but it is the only solution that can do that, actually. So you can track the full buyer's journey. You can see what they're doing on their website, on your website, and then you can trigger the viewed product flow to their WhatsApp number. And then after 23 hours, we send the second reminder with a 15% discount code, which is actually unique and uniquely generated with the expiration time for this specific customer who was browsing a specific product. And we can also, by the way, include in the header an image of the product that they viewed on your store. Here, we're not doing this. We decided to stick to the plain text messages with just 2 buttons to shop now or unsubscribe. And let's right now review the post-purchase flow, which is really interesting and highly converting on WhatsApp. The post-purchase flow typically is one of the highest converting flows on WhatsApp because from the psychology perspective, if we really want to dive deep into that, it starts with a dopamine hit because customer receives a confirmation about their order. And pretty much any customer loves to receive an order confirmation on WhatsApp. We don't see any unsubscribes or some bad feedback from the post-purchase flow because customer receives an order confirmation, which kind of creates this safety, and they feel that they can actually message the brand and they have the contact. And then it transitions from the confirming their order, then it's setting the expectations. We are saying that your order is about to be processed in the next few days or next few hours, depending on your brand's delivery. And then we're smoothly transitioning into the upsell. We're offering an extra discount, which is uniquely generated, and it's only available in the next few hours or the next few days before we actually process your order or before we ship out your product. And this works really well on WhatsApp because it feels like an urgency, but it's a logical urgency because your order is actually being processed and you can save if you add more. So first, we are offering this 15% off, which is for buyers. It's only for buyers who place an order. And this is a very generous discount code. And then we're also sending this catalog of best-selling products, which works really well because customers can simply just swipe them. They can see what they can add to their cart. And then with just one press of a button, they can be redirected to the bestsellers page and add extra products to their cart. And then after 23 hours, we're sending a final reminder that their order is about to be processed or about to be shipped, again, depending on your brand. And then we are sending a discount code that this is the final chance to apply your discount code and add more items to your order. Here, it's really important to be cautious about setting the right expectations because it really depends. If your brand cannot process the order in the next 2 days or next few hours, and you're claiming that it's being shipped out right now, this may create wrong expectations. And we see some cases where our clients are trying to be really pushy. They are changing this messaging. They are just saying, oh, your order is about to be delivered in the next few hours. And then it actually turns out that that all their orders are made to order and they will only place it to the manufacturer the next week. And then customers are pissed. They are messaging, they're calling, they're asking questions, and this creates bad customer experience. So it's really important to set the right expectations in the post-purchase flow, which we do all the time. And that's the broad overview of the flows that we use. Typically, such flows convert very well on WhatsApp, and typically we see much higher conversion rates than email marketing. If you're interested in setting up such flows for your e-commerce brand, then go to zephyrchat.com, book a demo call with us. We'll just take a look at your brand and see what you're currently doing, and we'll help you to craft a specialized strategy for your e-commerce brand to scale further with WhatsApp. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.